Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So in this video I'll talk about the vegetables which you can grow from seeds in the month of May. But before that, if you're new to this channel or yet not have subscribed to it, then I request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon afterwards so that you'll get the first hand notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, share this video to as many people as you can with. Write comments if you have any. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.